window net.
It is? Yeah.
Him and Stewart. Is Stewart?
Yeah. It's Robert.
No, it's Robert. It's Robbie again.
This is not the thing I want to do.
Stewart doesn't do it?
Yeah, he has some
If it survives, though, he probably gives you Robbie.
Yeah, he gives Stewart.
He's got the finest airbag I've ever seen. It's a cushion off of a sofa. All right, clear down track. Fans, are you ready to go?
Yeah, about that time.
All right, here comes Robert, the squirrel killer.
Go on the first side this time.
All right, keep your eyes on him. He's headed for the ramp. Maya took the cut out of the Woodwatch man.
He made it. He made it.
Turn signals on.
Still good.
Oh my God.
I thought he was going back to get the ball.
They're letting Jimmy Taylor go again because he didn't get to go fast enough his first time.
Look at him.